All right, well, say hi to your friends. We're back.
Hi.
What are you guys gonna do today?
We're gonna do a commercial.
Commercial? Commercial? Yeah.
It's kind of like
All right, ready? All right, well, go ahead. Oh no, you got him. He's dead. Okay. Oh, he survived. Oh, he's gonna go fight you. He doesn't need a gun. Oh no, he lost the shoe. Oh, he's died. Well, he doesn't die. Oh my gosh, what is he made out of? He's got more strength than that. He's like the Avengers. Oh, he keeps losing the cars.
This is a white boss.
Oh, that's
the ultra.
Oh, it's the ultra power. Go! Oh, you heard. We have a wounded soldier here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sure? Oh, don't shoot me. I'm just a cameraman. Don't shoot me. What are you doing?
I'm just getting my phone ready. Oh!
He's gonna get you. Go. Are you guys reloading? Let me see your gun. Let me see your gun.
Woo! Gosh, baby.
Oh wow.
I can shoot 1 million feet.
1 million feet? What?
Yes.
Oh, we should use that to the army soldiers. They shoot so far. Let's see doing. He's getting ready. Hi.
I'm doing it.
Oh, he's reloading. You ready? Go get him. Oh, he needs a little help. Okay, let me see if I can help him. Okay. Go, Jimmy. Uh-oh. He's coming, Jimmy. Shoot him. Get him. Oh no, don't shoot the cameraman. Get out of the way. All right. Wait. Oh, he's alive. Oh, wow. This is really, oh my goodness. Well, a little street fight. I don't know why these guys like to fight so much. But they do it because they're brothers. Oh no, he lost the shoe again. No, it's the left side. Huh? Are we? Is that your foot? It looks weird.
Hey, Mom.
It's got a weird foot.
Hey, Mom.
Let me see. And you have what? Whoa! You guys, rule number 1, you don't shoot the cameraman, okay? Jimmy wants to do martial arts, I guess. He ran out of bullets. Uh-oh.
Round 1. Fight!
Oh. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work, Jimmy. Come on, try it again. Oh. Uh-oh. Looks like Adrian won.
You lose. Round 2. Fight!
Wait, you're not supposed to run. You're not supposed. Oh, all right. He's not running. Maybe he's running now. I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, superpowers. Oh wait, he's getting distracted. Because Mario's coming. But no, don't let that.